Hi, this is technology expert Reginald Andre, and one of the questions our clients are calling us about now is, how do I clean my cell phones? I'm cleaning my desk, I'm cleaning my chairs, but what about my cell phone? Is it okay to use these Lysol wipes that we have at the office to clean the cell phones? And my answer is, yeah, I wouldn't use it if you had other options. Now, a cell phone is actually more dirtier than a toilet seat. So it's definitely has a lot of germs. If you think about it, you're putting it on your face. If you're at a restaurant, you're putting it on the table. Who knows what the last person was doing? And it's just the cell phone goes everywhere, and then it goes on your face. So definitely you want to be able to clean this. Now, before the coronavirus was happening, Apple would say absolutely not. Do not use any type of Lysol or Clorox wipes on your phones. And the simple answer is, if you look at this wipe here and you squeeze it, it's full of liquid. And if that liquid goes on the phone and you start to wipe it like this, that liquid can actually damage the components inside your phone. It's a touchscreen and it's very sensitive. And the components such as the alcohol and the different substances that these wipes have can damage your cell phone. Plus, there's holes in your cell phone. And if that liquid goes inside, you can also damage the inside of your cell phone. So at the very minimum, if you have to use this and this is all you have, definitely wring it so that all that liquid just comes right out, and then apply it. And I would definitely recommend that you have a cover on your phone and also a screen protector on your phone so that the actual phone itself is not getting all of that towel that's going on the phone. So another question our clients ask is, what about my headset, my phone? Now for this, I would recommend the Lysol cleaner. And that's something that I do often, especially if I'm sitting at our front desk, and sometimes many people are using that front desk, or if you work at a retail store or a hotel, a condominium, a front desk, something like that, you definitely want to go ahead and disinfect your phone as you disinfect the other things around your office. So what I do recommend is that they make a special soap for cell phones. And what you do is you use a glass cleaner. So your glasses cleaner that you would normally use, it's a microfiber, so it's safe. And then from what you do is you just simply spray it on the phone and then you wipe. And it actually has the same effect as this Lysol cloth that has all these chemicals that your phone doesn't like. So I hope this was useful and a timely message with the coronavirus, and definitely stay safe out there. We also have other videos where if your employees need to be able to work from home, we talk about that. And if you have any questions, just let us know and we'll be here to help you. Thank you.